What a beautiful day! Let's go up and see the forest. What's going on down there? The turtle is in trouble. I have to help. Super Mimi is here. I will help you. You're safe now. Hostihan, you can walk again. We must protect our animal friends and keep nature clean. Mimi, there is more trash ahead. Can you help clean it? It's all clean now. Now it's song time. Clean, clean, let's clean it up. Pick it up, lad, don't you stop. Clean, clean clothes, make it right. Nature happy, shining bright. Pick, pick, pin, one by one. Cleaning nature is so fun. Help the turtle, help the trees. Keep it clean for birds and bees. Clean, let's all say.